तीनों का फेस है मेरा चालू बैठेंगे साइमन को बैठ ये बैठो अबे क्या बनती क्या है इतना जल्दी जल्दी सारे हमारा मशीन चिकन बिरयानी अरे बीच में
Good evening. Good evening. You're thinking? You're supposed to be here now. No, not this way. Good evening to you all. Good evening, sir. How much were there? Changal, what was the number?
So 5 sum from GST, 5 sum from private.
5 sum from GST, 5 sum from
Private.
Done? Wherever you is there, don't show me. What you can go over? Why you think this? Hello, what is this? You are playing or what? Once it there? No. Sit in the front. He was there. Then he came over. Then he came. And I'll meet you to sit somewhere. All of you done the work? Where is Chopin? What is it you are carpentry? What is it? Here I want to see your homework, okay? Girls sit down, means sit down. Girls sit down, means sit here.
That's true.
What do you do?
He is celebrating. I am celebrating the 80th goal to 10. Five sons.
All together.
Five, yes.
5 plus 5, 10. What do you like?
Five sons only from GST.
I'm backing. Aziz, sit down. What is the GST, GST? This is the explanation. You're done? Why? Not I want today holiday or then? And what is the you're celebrating it. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to see this.
कल लिखा था I told you.
Standard. I think if I should feel from there, means the class will be quite beside. Yes, sir, they are. You are telling no, but there are people telling yes. Why are you looking at them? Why are you looking at them? They are scared of you. Then we are looking at scared of you. The shift to this side. This one properly do na. Okay. Tomorrow all of you know there is a test paper is there na. 2 chapters are there. Timing all of you know.
Yes, sir.
Timing there is no. And how do you know there is a test paper?
10:30.
How do you know there is a test paper? How you come to know? Website. I checked in the website timing written. Check. I don't know what is the time. Riddhi, what is the time?
10:30.
10:30. Pakka. Huh?
10:30.
Two lectures. Two are there, not 10:30. One book you uploaded.
नहीं आधा है.
अरे 10:30 to 11 and 11 to 11:30 ना.
Sir, how many marks?
That you will take 20 marks.
15.
You have any problem in banking? Linear inequation? No, your GST factor is your only problem. And then your school test is starting. Tuesday is math. Yes. I think you have a doubt. It says 2.1. Read the question.
Find the maturity ratio for different deposit account when a man deposits everyone.
Question number.
All of you be quiet now. Yes.
Question number.
Man deposits.
Man deposits everyone. It is 540 for 3 years at 12%.
What is the doubt then? You know the formula. Tell me what is the value of P?
540.
Huh?
540.
540. And
36.
36. 3 years. R.
12%.
12. So I think this is very simple. 540 into 36 into 37 divided by 2 times 12 into 2. Who is talking there again? Then this is 10, 12, 27. Rest you know multiplication and maturity value Pn plus I. You are supposed to come in the front bench now. Why did you go back? You know the formula now? 24? You want to write 2400, then don't write 12 and 2. Happy? Why we are writing means your cancellation is easy. If you want to write 2400 also, no problem. Whatever is used to do, do it. Don't make mistake. Okay, done. Your problem solved. Who is having the problem? What is your problem?
Yes.
What is the problem? From where? Question is from where?
1B input output.
You volume or textbook?
Sir,
Okay, then. Question number
5.
5. Read the.
A is a dealer in merit who supplies goods slash services worth rupees 15,000 for dealer C.
15,000.
15,000.
Okay.
In the other half NP. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods.
Aliyah, be quiet now. Why in between you are telling? So you explain. Coming. Explain. Now what is that now and how will I come to know?
Dealer B in the account in NP. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods services to dealer C in Jabalpur in NP. At the profit of rupees 3,000, rate of tax is 18%. Find the cost excluding GST of goods and services to the dealer C in Jabalpur and net tax payable by dealer.
What is the problem? What is your doubt?
Sir, I found out the cost excluding GST, but they are including GST in the answer.
Cost excluding your exclusive or excluding?
Excluding.
Excluding means you don't need to cost CP only at right. So your problem was that only na?
And the type of results.
But that followed na? Okay. What is so exclusive is not there. Exclusive that word will not come. Generally it is inclusive. Okay. Exclusively it is not coming. Excluding means it is not added. Yes, what doubt is over? Yes, what is your combining? Now both of your problem solved. Viraj and down. Okay, then next step. What is the problem? So you have interest is equal to what is the value of B? 750. N 24. Okay. $75 into 5. Okay. 375. This is the value of R you got. I you got. So what is the maturity value is given? Now 19125 is equal to PN, that is 750 into 24 plus 375 R by 2. Okay. So 15 12s are 18,000 no?
Yes.
18,000 means it is coming 1125 into 2 upon 375 is equal to R. $19,125 minus 18,000 now. How much? It's the same thing you got? Something else you got? Huh? So this is 3, R is equal to 6. Be careful, calculation mistake only. This was 19,125 now. This is 18,000. It will come over here. 19,125 minus 18,000 is 1125. What is your problem? Tell loudly. Huh? Also tell the values. Principal is equal to 1,000. R is equal to 10%. Maturity value is 5550. Value when you want to find out? N. So I is equal to 1000 into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 to 10 by 100. Okay. So it is coming as 100 N plus 1 divided by 24 I. Okay. Then maturity value 5550 is equal to PN, that is 1000 N plus 100 n plus 1 divided by 24. In first thing itself we can divide by 50 itself we can divide. Okay, 1 0 is cancelled, 1 0 is cancelled, 1 0 everywhere is cancelled. Okay, one more 5 also is can cancel. 1 1 1 is equal to 20 n. Okay, who is talking there? Viraj only?
Yes, that is.
Oh. 2 into n plus 1 is to by 24. This 2 and 2 is cancelled, 12. Multiply by 12. You got the condition now? So it is coming as, so 11 into 111 into 12 we have to multiply, 111 into 12 is equal to 12 to the 240. And this I somebody asked me 241. N square plus n. Multiply, therefore your equation is coming as n square plus 241n minus this product. Okay, can you multiply 6? 111 into 6 is 666. That is 133. Factorize, you will get the answer. Okay, sure. Problem. Answer is something I think 5 I think 46. Huh? Factorization, split that factorization factor terms. Okay, then see which one. 1000 into 5. I think it is 5. Yes, Mister. Is from where this question? I don't know. Question values are now. From where this question you got? Full teacher. Okay, so that is clear. Yes, now. Where? You can say. Read. Almost we are done. Okay, read.
The last price of an article is 6,000.
6,000.
Yes, sir. The wholesaler sells it to a dealer at 20% discount.
Okay.
The dealer further sells the article to the customer at a discount of 10% of the market price. If the rate of GST at receipt is 18%, find the amount of tax the GST paid by the dealer to the government.
Dealer to the government means what? Output tax minus input tax.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the doubt? First here it is selling. First case is SP is equal to 80% of 6,000. Yes or no? That is cancelled. 6 8 are 4,800. And GST is how much?
GST is 18%.
So 18 by 100 into 4,800. That is equal to 48 into 18. You have to multiply. Okay. Understood or not? Now for the next one, selling price is equal to how much? 10% discount means 90 by 100 into 6,000. 5,400. And GST is equal to how much? 18 by 100 into 5,400. 54 into 18. Okay. So output is 54 into 18. Input is equal to 40. Subtract 48, 54 minus 86 into 18 into 6. 108 is the answer. Problem solved. Tarwa. Followed or not? He is not responding. Are you followed? Followed?
Yes, sir.
Who else having problem? Problem is solved.
So, no factorization.
Huh?
I had a doubt in that factorization.
Factorization, right, and factorize 1332. And that is the first thing, you know, I'm not sure that value is correct. 1332 was coming, no? What was the value?
Yes.
Triple one, what was the triple one into 12, no?
N square plus 241n plus 113.
1332. Minus is coming, 2's are coming. What will you get? 6, 2, 3, 4, 3. 3's are. Yes or no? No, 3 will not come. 7.
333. Yes, sir.
333 triple one.
337. And this time, that will be 37.
Okay. Now check 37 into 254 108. Triple one into 2. How much? 222. And 6. That value check once again. I don't think that value is matching because n is not a proper value is coming. Because 5550 triple 50 or what is the value check or question you check. So this is 37. This way you have to group and get these values. 37 into 3 is how much? Because 241 na. 111 and into 2, that is 222. And 6 is coming. The value somewhere, we check that question. Is it question is correct or wrong? Huh? Maturity value. What is this? I or what? What is it? And what is I? Akka, is it 5550 or 5500? Where is that question? Once again you bring it. I will check. Okay. See that question right. Because the values are not there, means the factorization will not be there, especially the quadratic one. The factorization is not able to get means you have to check once again the values. Otherwise some calculation mistakes. Okay. No problem now. Here. Yes, Asit. What do you mean by interstate? Outside state. Huh? Interstate means outside state.
Sir, one state to
One state to another state. There, what do you have to calculate? IGST. Okay, you. What do you mean by discounted price? Huh?
It's least
It is a list. Discounted price is the list price.
discounted price is calculated on cost.
What is the meaning of discounted price?
MRP minus discount.
MRP minus discount, that is same as the selling price. Understood or not?
Yes.
When it is the list price is coming, there is no discount, then discounted price is same as the list price. Understood? Be careful. GST is calculated on what? No, stand up. Very good. GST is calculated on what price? GST is calculated on GST. GST is calculated on which price? Discounted price or selling price. Understood or not? So always see that GST calculated on either selling price or discounted price. Sit down. You listen and do, not to take tension. Done. Now which next chapter we have started?
No, sir.
Not started, sir. That's why we have to be time pass over here. Yes, sir. So write the chapter heading. Quadratic equation. Spelling QUAD RATIC. Quadratic equations. This chapter started in the school.
No, sir.
Yes.
The school में language में
सर स्कूल में लीनियर इक्वेशन
in your school what is going on? No, listen all of you. Anjali, what happens? What happened? In your school what is going on?
सर लीनियर
You are Let me ask Manjiri now, what is your problem?
सर सेम क्लास
Same class, so same thing. When I ask you, you have to reply. Now, why you should reply? He's the leader of the class.
नो सर
Then what is going on in the class?
लीनियर
Which who is the teacher?
Mamta sir.
I don't think you don't know who is the teacher. Come here.
Sir, मैंने कुछ नहीं.
Linear, what is the average point? Linear inequation, not equation. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Want to give the equation after the class? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, use of second point and like.
No, sir.
No. Is it so? But you are quite over here.
Sir, mood changes.
Mood changes.
Proper move. Okay, now. S weeks and what is the meaning of quadratic equations? All of you close your book. Started searching. Now immediately searching it. All of you close the volume briefly. You answer, I am waiting.
So the equation where the highest power of the variable is
Equation whose degree is 2. Degree is 2 is called which equation? Quadratic equation. Yes, Sharu, listen. Listen. Sit down. Now, we are going to start about how to solve quadratic equation and its properties we are going to do. First is, do you know what is the meaning of linear equation?
yes.
Yes, what is the linear equation? Huh? Linear equation straight line.
It makes a straight line.
Did I ask you to draw the graph? I asked you what is linear equation.
Highest degree is
Linear equation means equation degree is 1. No need of taking highest degree. Just simply tell degree. Degree means always highest. Okay. Do you know what you mean by equation? Something is connected with an equal to symbol is called equation. Okay. An equal to symbol. Otherwise, it is called inequation. We studied in the previous chapter linear inequality. Say so linear equations. So linear equation. Linear means degree 1. Linear polynomial. Degree 1. Linear factor. Degree 1. Factor of degree 1. Do you know what is the general form of the linear equation? General form.
x plus y.
Ax. What linear equation in one variable means Ax plus b is equal to 0. One variable. What are you looking up and down over here? You look at
X plus y.
let him tell now. I am talking to you now. Okay. Look. Variable means generally it is denoted by x, y, etc. Your name is not there, no?
Yeah.
Your name is there. You have come to learn the name. Now we will go there. Quietly you will sit. Okay. Now, what do you know? What do you mean by solution? XTPC means one exercise 25 questions that time and you will be over. Yeah.
There's a punishment.
What was the punishment for you?
Sir, do exercise 3 times. Whole exercise.
You are done. Today at 8:45 come to. After the lecture, no? Chemistry lecture, no? After that you will be till 10:30 this is all.
No, sir, run at your.
Huh? You also wanted to join? What is your problem? So I have so but still you come. Okay, so do you know what you mean by solution of an equation? Solution of an equation. Anyone?
Number that size.
The value of the variable which satisfies the equation. For example, if it is coming as even is Rashmi, if x minus 3 equal to 0, when x is equal to 3, what is we get over here? 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we say x is equal to 3 is a solution. Is it x 4 is a solution? No. Why? 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to how much? 1. 1 is not equal to 0. Understood or not? Solution means the value of the variable which satisfy, which makes LHS and RHS equal. That is called the solution of the equation. Now, linear equation. What is your problem? Do you have any problem? No problem, no. At home also this way. Yes. I will call your mother. Then he will sit over here next to you and she will slap you. Then you will be okay. Shall I do it? I will do it. Now, Linear equation means there are two linear equations you have to remember. One is called linear equation one variable. Another one is called linear equation two variables. Two variables means like x and y, like this way. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. How many variables are there? Two variables. Now, this is how many variables? One variable. Okay. Chapter 13 quadratic equation written. Basic you write and we will go to quadratic equation. Right. Linear equation. Linear L-I-N-E-A-R. Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. I don't need to write degree 1 I don't know. Right. The general form is ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. If a equal to 0 means that x term will go down. That is right. And solution is, you know what the solution of this one? Value of x, tell.
Minus b upon
X is equal to minus b upon a. X equal to minus b by a. Are you followed? Not followed means e shift here minus b. X equal to minus b by a. If not numbers you will follow 2x plus 8 equal to 0. So what will you get? X is equal to minus 8 upon 8. X is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now we'll write one more statement, right? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Linear equation one variable has only how many solutions? One solution. Written all of you. Next, linear equation in two variables. Linear short form you can write LE. Linear equation in two variables. Two variables. General form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. General form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Written? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Written? Do you know how many solutions are here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Right. It has infinite solutions. It has infinite solutions. As you're remembering now, graph drawing, straight line drawn. For example,
infinite points on the graph.
right, it has infinite solutions. Look here, those who are not followed, I'll explain. Suppose if x plus y equal to 8, this is a linear equation, how many variables? Two variables. I put x equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Is it a solution?
Yes.
Check. 1 plus 7, 8. Solution. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. Is it a solution? X equal to 3, y equal to 5. Is it a solution?
Yes.
X equal to minus 1, y equal to 9. Is it a solution? This way, how many solutions you can find out? Infinite solutions. One variable, there is only one solution. In two variables, there are how many solutions are there? Atharva, followed or not? You have followed. We just replace. X is replaced and y is replaced. No need to just be so. And this is a straight line, you know, that you have done. Now we'll write. Before writing, what is the meaning of quadratic equation? What is the meaning of quadratic equation? Now you know highest power. The equation of degree is 2. What do you mean by degree 3 means? When the degree equation of degree 3 is called cubic equation. Okay, what is the degree 3 equation? Cubic equation. Degree 4
Quadratic.
by quadratic. By quadratic is what you have to remember. Okay, degree 3 is cubic, degree 4 is by quadratic equation. We are going to do only quadratic only, but these names remember. Why I am telling you? You have one more question. Sometimes it may come. Now, so this is the one. We will go detail about the quadratic equation only. Again, One more. For what quadratic equation means degree 2 now. Do you know what is its general form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. How many solutions it has? 2. Maximum 2. Sometimes you will see only one solution. Sometimes there is no solution also will come. Okay, that one cases will come. Okay. Quadratic equation, number of solutions is at the most 2. Means maximum is 2. Some cases 2, sometimes 1, sometimes no solution. Don't worry, we will write solution as well. There is another word is called root. R-O-O-T. What do you mean by root? Not square root. Root of the power is already. Solution. Root is 2. A square root is something different. I am not talking about root of an equation means solution of the equation. Find the roots of the equation means find the solution of the equation. Understood or not? So write heading like quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So you wrote linear equation 1 variable, linear equation 2 variables, below quadratic equation. Right? Equation of degree 2. It's an equation of degree 2. It's not degree 2. Below right, its general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Written? Okay. What is a over here? What is a? It is called the coefficient of x square. What is b? Coefficient of x. What is c? Constant term. Okay. What is it? Constant term. A, B, C are real numbers. A is called the coefficient. Okay. Listen. A is the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of x, and C is the constant term. What is he doing? I'll make you to sit down over there. Today, you know how many times I'm calling you? Here, he's from which school? He does the same thing, you know. I will make you proper, you know. You get one slap on the head, you will be alright. Get no. Every time. No. Look. Kondu, what are the values of A, B, C here?
The A is 2, B is X.
B is X. Wrong. Atharva, what are the values of A, B, C here?
Sir, A is equal to 2. Now,
That is Challa. If wrong
B
answer.
is equal to 1 and C is equal to 5.
Wrong.
A is equal to 2, B is equal to -1, C is equal to 5.
Understood? A is equal to 2, B is equal to not 1, sign also have to consider. It's changing sign now. Okay. B is equal to -1, C is equal to 5. Remember what I wrote. Now, so you wrote this one. Now, one more thing. Look here. In the quadratic equation, when you write x square term, it is a quadratic equation x. If a quadratic equation y means what did you write? Ay square plus by plus c equals 0. That is the variable is y. Remember, the degree of the variable should be always degree. These are degrees too. Degree of each term of the variable will be always a whole number. Like you cannot write like here 3x square plus 2x raised to -1 plus 5 equal to 0. This is what is this term? Look here, one more. This is the first term now. What is the variable? X. What x square by x? What is the coefficient? What is the degree? 2. Understood or not? In this one, is it before that? Is it a quadratic equation? No. Why it is not a quadratic equation? It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Huh? This is not quadratic equation, no? So if it is not a quadratic equation, you don't need to solve. Now, how to check this x? This can be simplified. 3x square 2 upon x plus 5 equal to 0. Understood or not? X raised to minus 1 is 1 by x now. If you multiply by x, what will you get? 3x cube plus 2 plus 5x is equal to 0. So it is not a quadratic equation again. Okay. Now I just wanted to show which is a quadratic equation or not. Another one. Suppose if it is coming in this way. X square plus 5 root x plus 7 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is not. Root x now. Okay. What is it meaning? X square plus 5 x raised to half plus 7 equal to 0. Big 2, 1, 0. It is not a quadratic equation. So power should be. Next one. Another one. Suppose if I write this way, x square plus root 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. The degrees, variable powers, you tell, check in 1, 0. Understood? Now, this one, ax square plus below that, quadratic equation has at the most two solution.
What, sir?
Quadratic equation has at the most two solutions. Has at the most two solutions. Written means maximum solution is 2. Solution below, next line there. Solutions of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation short form we can write QE. Solutions of the quadratic equation. Exam don't write this one. Solutions of the quadratic equation are also known as roots. Solutions of the quadratic equation are also known as roots. RWTS. Roots. Okay. Followed now. Now 3x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation?
Yes.
I need to check whether x equal to 3 is a solution or not. How to check? Those who know raise the hand.
What, sir?
How?
Yes.
I need to check whether x equal to 3 is a solution or not. How to check? Those who know raise the hand.
What, sir?
I need to check whether x is equal to 3 is a solution or not. How will you check? Two people are raised the hands. I need someone from the girl side. There go girls who are very boys. Girls are good. Yes. Replace x is equal to 3. If LHS is equal to RHS, it is a solution. Replace what will you get? 3 into 3 square. What is 3 into 3 square? 27. Plus 2 into 3. 6. So 27 plus 6. 33 minus 1. 32 is not equal to 0. Therefore, it's not a solution. Are you followed how to verify? Okay. This is the one. Suppose if it is given on this way.
Okay.
Listen. Read what is written. 3x square plus 2x minus k equal to 0. Given that x is equal to 3 is a solution, find the value of k. How do you do? I repeat, given that x is equal to 3 is a solution, find the value of k. You just replace x as 3. When you replace x as 3, what will you get? 3 times 3 square plus 2 times 3 minus k equal to 0. How much? 27.
Minus 23.
Have you followed or not? These are the times you have to remember how to find out. This one method is clear, all of you? Okay, so this is the one. The next is, I said we said there how many roots are there maximum? Two roots are there. Sometimes there is only one root. One root means it is also known as equal root. Now we are going to study how to find out how many roots are there or no roots are there. Okay. Next one, right? Discriminant. Discriminant. Written word discriminant. Remember the value of b square minus 4ac. Value of b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Value of b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. and it is denoted by the letter D, capital D. Denoted by D. Written denoted by D. Written all of you. Okay. Pandey, Chambavi, stand up. Who? What is the discriminant of this equation? What is the discriminant of this equation? The way you're looking, ask if I did something. Yes.
Minus 5 the whole square minus 4 multiplied by 2 into 8.
Do you know what is
Minus 8.
Do you know what you mean by discriminant? Just now you wrote, now read from there, you were sleeping out.
Discriminant the value of b square minus 4ac.
So what is discriminant? Value of b. So find out the value of b square minus 4ac. What is the value of a? What is
Minus 8.
a? What is the value of a?
Minus 8.
A is minus 8.
Sorry, sir, 2.
Are you okay?
Sir, I forgot.
A is equal to 2, B is equal to how much? Minus 5, C is equal to how much? Minus 8. Hey, Yashmi, stand up. What is the discriminant?
Minus 39.
How did you get?
Sir, b square minus 5 the whole square.
Minus 5 the whole square.
Minus 4 times 2 times minus 8.
Okay, simplify and tell me.
Minus 5 whole square is 25. Minus
Minus or plus?
25.
Good one. 2 minus will become 2. How much? Oh, hero. Why you are talking? That is why now. Why is there is a discussion required? You what? You. What is going on? Next class onward, positive is separating you.
Sir, I came first. Sir.
So what? So you come first means you are supposed to take the notebooks, no?
No, sir.
So the answer is.
25 plus 64.
So then how did you get this on minus 39?
I replaced it.
So is equal to 89. Okay, sit down. So when you calculate the discriminant, you have to be careful. Plus minus, you have to be very careful. A, B, C, find out and replace. Okay, now discriminant all of.
Nature.
Yes, okay, now. Next is, so discriminant all of you found out. So we have discussed quadratic equations, 3-4 things are Rajveer. Ranveer, stand up.
Yes, sir.
What is quadratic equation? What is it? What is the general form?
The general form is ax plus bx
Huh?
plus c.
Ax plus b.
Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Where
Where a is not equal
a is not equal to 0. Sit down.
to 0.
Yes. Now look over here. What? So the teacher read now. Sit and read and learn. Then after that I'll ask. Stand up. What is the meaning of roots of the quadratic equation?
Solution.
Solution of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation can have how many roots?
2.
Maximum 2. At the most 2. Did you write in the book?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
at the most 2. Okay. Next one. Shirisha. Discriminant.
B square plus 4.
It is not b square plus.
Minus.
When I ask you, you know. B square minus 4ac. Its value is called the discriminant. This much all of you followed. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about how to identify what are the types of the roots. So before solving it, how to identify what happens. Right below. Nature of roots. Nature of roots means the roots are of which type you will see. Nature of roots. there are 3, 4, 5 cases are there. First case, 1. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Followed, what is the meaning of b square minus 4ac equal to 0? When you calculate the value of b square minus 4ac in discriminant, if the answer is coming as 0, then roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Means basically there is only one root or repeated root. Same root you get. Okay? Learned. Roots are real and equal. Written all of you? Followed what is the meaning? Second, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. What is the meaning of greater than 0? Positive. Okay, positive. Value of b square minus 4ac when you calculate, it's a positive number. Roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Unequal. Third, trigonometry roots are real and unequal. Third, b square minus 4ac less than 0.
Negative.
Imaginary. Who asked you all this? Did I ask anything? No, this same thing was going on. No? Right. When the b square minus 4ac less than 0, no real roots. No real roots. That is, written no real roots. That is, roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Fourth, written all the parts. Then b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. The roots are real. Roots are real. This much is written. Now, let me explain once again. Remember all these properties. Okay, followed. You can tell all these property. I erase. You can tell. Yes. Girl side. Girl side no. Now listen. Okay, I will next class. Once again. First, you know all of them. Okay. First is you will get the question. Obtain the nature of the root. Means what type of roots are there. Then first thing is the equation, value of A, value of B, value of C find out and find the value of B square minus 4ac. What is B square minus 4ac called? Discriminant. Then check if the value of B square minus 4ac value answer is coming 0. Then what is your conclusion? Real and equal. This equal has different words are there. Real and repeating, or real and coincident, or real and same. These all different same meaning only. Okay. When does the roots are real and same, repeated or coincident? Coincident means same thing. All of them are same meaning. Are you followed? Okay. Second one. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. What is the meaning of B square minus 4ac greater than 0? Value is a positive value. Then what is your conclusion? Roots are real and unequal. Means two different roots will come. Okay, here they are both of them same root, here it is two different roots. And third one, b square minus 4ac is negative, means less than 0. Roots are not real, imaginary. Okay, directly you can write imaginary, there is no problem. And the last one I combined first and second one. Well, real roots. Real roots mean there are two cases are there, real and equal, real and unequal. So if it is greater than or equal, so sometimes you will get if the roots are real, then what you will check? Value of b square minus 4ac should be either 0 or positive. This much is clear? All of you follow this one. Now there are two more cases are coming, 2, 3 cases more is coming when ABC are rational. That later I will explain. Later means after doing some sum. This one is followed. Okay, so then open your volume. First exercise. Open the volume and take the first exercise. Second, page number 36. Question is read. Without solving, comment upon the nature of the roots of the following equations. So you have to write. So first one, what is the first question? 7x square minus 9x plus 2 equal to 0. 9x plus 2 equal to 0. Value of A trigonometric 7. Value of B minus 9. C 2. Then find out B square minus 4AC. Minus 9 whole square. Minus 4 times 7 times 2. 81 minus 56, which is equal to 25. Therefore, B square minus 4AC greater than 0. Yes or no? Therefore, what is your answer? Roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Hope all of you following? If not followed, tell me, I'll explain again. Pondu, followed. So read the second question. Read the next question.
X square plus 2 root 3
2 root 3.
x minus 9 is equal to 0.
All of you, first you write ABC and B square minus 4AC. No discussions, I will ask you. Huh? Why it is not a quadratic equation? Root 3 x power of x itself. Okay, coefficient can be. Right, what are ABC? A is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to 2 root 3. C is equal to minus 9. Be careful. It is not A equal to x square. Who is that? 2. Why you need to do? Not required. Okay, you can write, but it is not required. Find out B square. Manjari doing or not? Manjari, no?
Done.
Check once again. Mistake. Let me see if you have it. Either. Why are you searching behind? Checking answer. So in the exam, answer will be there in the behind. Who? Hello. We ask you. Is there anyone got 48?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 48.
There are people agreeing that more than 48. B square minus 4AC. 2 root 3 whole square. Minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. 12 plus 36. 48. So B square minus 4AC greater than 0. Roots are real and imaginary. Who said imaginary?
Third one imagine.
That third. Who said that third one? Who asked you the third one? All of you do the third one. Be careful. Calculation I am seeing people are not doing properly. Well, question. Yashmir, read the third question.
2x square plus 8x plus 9 equal to 0.
What are the values of A, B, C?
2, 8 and 9.
B square minus 4AC equal to. All of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
4 into 2 into 9. 64 minus 72. Minus 8. B square minus 4AC less than 0. Answer, roots are
Imaginary.
Hope all of you got the answer. Yes or no? Viraj? None? Over. The first question is over. More are there or 3 only? 3 parts will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt? No, sir. Now, read the second question. Completed. Complete fast. Whomsoever is having problem, these are direct, simple questions. What happened? Doubt? Done? Ranveer,
Yes, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, Viraj, read the next question.
Find the value of p if the following quadratic equation has equal roots. 4x square minus p minus times
Minus times.
p minus 2x
Let's do this. P minus 2 times x
plus 1
plus 1
equal to 0.
equal to 0. So, we will write the values of A, B, C. What are the values of A? 4. B is equal to minus of P minus 2. C is equal to 1. The next step you will write. This one you have followed, all of you?
Yes.
You will write given the equation has equal roots. Given that the equation has equal roots. Given that the equation has equal roots. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So replace, that is minus of p minus 2, the whole square. Minus 4 times 1 is equal to 0. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Square of minus is how much?
Yes.
Plus, that is p minus 2 whole square. Minus 16 equal to 0. This step also followed? Yes or no? Minus square is plus. P minus. Now solve it. Let's see. Let's see. Solve. What happened? Tell na. Actually, I'm remaining at no question. Do yourself. Don't do you get one from here, okay? Last year started studying now again.
Sir, done, sir.
So done.
Minus 20.
That is the answer.
Wrong?
Okay. Who is that?
So done.
This is the answer of P. Then what is it done? You got an equation, that's all, huh? Now, listen, all of you. All of you, listen. This can be done in different ways. Easier way, listen here. No need to expand. This can be done as p minus 2 whole square is equal to how much? 16. Taking square root.
p minus 2.
If you take the square root, it will come p minus 2 is equal to root of 16 is
Plus minus 4.
plus or minus 4. Therefore, two values p minus 2 is equal to 4 or p minus 2 is equal to minus 4. P is equal to 4 plus 2.
6.
That is p equal to 6. Or p is equal to minus 4 plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, value of p is, what are the values? 6 or minus 2. Are you followed, all of you? This is one method. Second method. This is I am learning now, isn't it? I am learning this all. Done. I have seen what you have done. Then look here. This can be done in different way also. You expand this one. P square minus 4p plus 4 minus 16. Then factorize, splitting middle term. It's not compulsory the way I am doing. You have to do it. But both answers. Now, finally, is both answers are true or only one answer true? Wow. How do you know? Now check in the behind. Is both answers are true or only one answer true? Who said one answer true? Why both answer true? Sir, sir will tell. Huh? So these are, you mean to say these are the solutions of the quadratic equation? Solution, what is the variable over here? What is the variable over here? X. Is it the value of X? No. Look here. Where how it is possible or not? Immediately check. What is A? What is A here? 4. If when you take P is equal to 6 or minus 2, if A becomes 0, that is not possible. If not followed means, suppose sometimes you will get A is equal to, let's say, P minus 6. Then 6 is not possible. Why 6 is not possible? 6 minus 6 will become as 0. This part once again next class I will explain.
So we have to do this in every question.
That you have to check only. You have to
For
verbally.
the solution.
This all over. After that, you have to check whether both are possible or not. Look at. Verification, you don't need to write anything. Just see. Yes, both are solutions. Okay. A should not be 0. That's all. Homework part. Homework exercise. Homework exercise. How many questions are there? 3 questions. Do it. Then what happened? You will see homework.
सारे की